And we have one oppo phone, oppo a37 a37f. The problem is no charging. No charging means that when you plug the charging, there you can see the first symbol, and within few seconds when the charging increasing, their option is not coming, it will become like this charging error. So this is the problem. So we have to open the phone and we have to check what we can do, and first we have to see what is the problem inside the motherboard. So let's open the phone. And first we have to remove the SIM tray, and we have to take the SIM ejector tool and just take out the SIM tray first. And if you have the scale opener, we are calling a scale opener, just open nicely and then by side corner. It's quite simple, there's not that much hard to open. On the top side there's a tool lock out there, so that's the reason it's got stuck. So you can just open and still there's no difficulty to open. And first we have to check on the battery connector. The most common problem when it's not charging, the reason battery connector is got loose, and maybe the battery connector is something fungus or something loose contaction, something like that. So first we have to open the battery connector shield, and you have to be careful because if you touch somewhere in the positive section it will get short. So this, I feel there's no loose contact issue. I just press, and first I just disconnect that one and just checking for there's any fungus or something, but there's nothing. I just press hard, and after that we'll check again the cable is charging or not. And the first symbol it's okay, and the second boot, the charging second boot, we can see there's error or not. Still we have the same error, so there's no fix our problem. And the next step we have to check the voltage, we are getting the voltage or not. First we have to check the battery voltage if they're not. Some case the battery, if you got low, that's the reason also is not charging. So but the charging connector will come from the charging pad, we have problem. And here you can see there's some short circuit, so maybe the over voltage is coming or something like that if we got some fungus issue. So we have to clean that one first, otherwise it won't be get proper contact to the board from the charging pad. So here I'm just going to just clean by my user. If you have any metal contact, any metal anything, you can just clean that one. Just make it that grip, and the copper section we have to make clean. You have to clean the charging pata section and the motherboard section also. And here we are almost clean. I feel it's okay, and disconnect again, and disconnect the battery also, and connect the charging cable. The first boot okay, and we have to wait for the second boot. The same error are coming, so that means we are just clean, but there's no fix the problem. So I just check the battery connect voltage. I disconnect the battery and connect the charger, and here you can see the voltage. On the multimeter you can see the voltage, 1 pop on the ground and 1 volt pop on the positive section. So this we have got 4.2 voltage output. So just connect the reconnect the cable, and here you can see the symbol, the first port symbol, and the first port symbol is coming. So I just connect the battery. After, oh, we got it, finally we got the second boot are fine right now. What I have done, I just disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, and first of all I just connect the charger, and second I just connect the battery to motherboard. So in that case I got the solution. Here you can see the first boot and second boot also, it's got fine, it's charging. So we got the solution. Very quite simple. This case I got a fine. This I just got first time this problem. Yes, it's fine. Now it's charging. There's no error. We can see the charging symbol. The battery is quite slow, quite low voltage, and so we had to increase the battery voltage. And here we have to check the battery voltage is increasing or not. There's a battery section, and 3.79486789. Yes, the battery voltage are increasing, so that means the battery is charging. So we have just fixed the shield back and just refix the screws. In this case we are just done only 2 steps. One step on the charging pad, we got some malfunction, means we got some short circuit, some fungus, not full short circuit, we have just got a fungus issue there. So we have just cleaned the fungus and just reconnect, but we didn't get the solution, and we didn't fix the problem actually. So what we have done next, just disconnect the battery and reconnect the charging cable, and after that we just reconnect the battery. We are just again second, we are just reconnect the battery. So that time we got charge. So, and the offline charging, it's okay. Now we saw the offline charging is increasing, and we have to check the online charging, the battery percentage is increasing or not. So first we have to on the phone. We are putting on the phone. Now you can see the phone is got boot, but the brightness very low. So there's a password, so we cannot open the we can't adjust the brightness because the brightness is very low, but the phone is got on. We have to check the battery percentage is increasing or not. Okay, so first I'll just keep the phone on charging, and then after that I'll check. After a few minutes, I just kept on charging. So this is my phone, the customer phone. We got increased the charge. So we are happy. We are done the problem within two functions. We are done. 2 steps we are done, and finally we got the solution. We are going to repack the phone and send the customer. So I hope maybe it's helpful for you. So thank you for watching the video.